what I look most forward to is there are initiatives and projects that I'm working on, but the thing that absolutely gets me jazzed are the unintended consequences. The things where we'll put technology in thinking one thing, the business, the users get a hold of it and take it to a whole new level. For instance, as we put in a broadcast technology to meet a specific communications need to have the sector president do an annual address and quarterly updates to the business. We put that infrastructure in, and lo and behold, VPGMs, functional leaders, now do on a weekly and sometimes daily basis communications with them live on video, going 1 to several hundred, with folks online with link, IM questions in, so they get a truly engaged interaction with the workforce. So that was an unintended consequence.